Hi, my name is Mark Anthony Peterson, founder and CEO of Ziscuit. In this video, we're going to show you how to publish your recipes so that you can start earning credits that you can redeem for cash. First thing, let's log into your account, and once you're in, I'm going to have you navigate to your recipes. When you get to your recipes, you'll see all the ones that you've created or uploaded into your folder. Now, only your original created recipes are eligible to be published into the marketplace where you can earn credits that can be redeemed for cash. I'm going to click on one of my original recipes, a vegan gluten callaloo dish, great Trinidadian dish. And now I'm going to show you how I published it into the marketplace. I want you to go over to the three dots on the upper right hand corner. And when you click on that, you'll see the very top, unpublished recipe or published recipe. If your recipe is not published, it'll say so right there. And when you click publish, it will make it available to everyone on the platform. And every time someone uploads your recipe or shops the ingredients on Ziscuit, you're going to earn credits that you can cash in for real money.